Now we'll proceed to basic computation. So create new sheet once again. New sheet. Okay. Double click and then type basic computation or basic calculation. Depends on you. Okay. So how does Excel compute? So as I have taught you before, you should begin always with the data. So for example, we have 1 here and then we have 6 here. I'll just drag this going here, then this one also, then I'll put fill series. Now what if I want the operation to become addition? So what we will do is simply put a formula equals, then click A1 plus B1, then press enter. So there's a formula here. Since there are already data here, what we can do is click, hold, and drag it going down, then it will automatically compute for us. So the formula is already there. Okay, so the fill handle is very useful. Okay, or you can also um, click the cell with formula and then go to the fill handle. Instead of click, holding, and dragging it down, you may simply double click it so that it will have automatically your data. So that's faster. Now, if you change the data here, for example, I put 2 here, the answer or the result will also change. And it will always give you the correct answer as long as you provide the proper operation and the proper data. Okay, so that's for addition. When I want it to become subtraction, double click, subtraction, press enter, becomes -5 because the data here is lower than here. So you can also click, hold, and drag, or double click. You have negative answers. You can also have multiplication using asterisk. Asterisk is in number 8, so you press shift 8. So you can also do this, by the way, in mobile, but it's a little challenging in mobile phones, but definitely you can do it. I've tried it before, and the buttons are quite confusing to locate, but if you really want it, it is possible, but it is better if you will use the desktop or laptop. Okay, so we are done with that. Now what if I want to create a multiplication table? For example, 1 here, and then I will fill this, then fill series. Okay, so maybe until 10 only. Then I want to multiply it by 9, so I'll drag this going here. Okay, then the result is here, so equals should be A1 times shift F8, shift 8, I'm sorry, shift 8, then click B1, press enter, and then drag it or double click this, you will automatically have a result, right? So that's easy. Now what if, insert here, I don't want this, okay, or better yet, I'll put it here again so that you will see the difference. So I'll put here 1, then drag until here, fill series. Okay, I want to place number 9 here, and then I want to have the result here. So it's like cross multiplying. 1 times 9, the result is here. 2 times 9, the result is here. 3 times 9, the result should be here. So what should we do? Let's try this like what we did before. So 1 times 1 is equal to, so equal, then E2 times F1. Okay, then press enter. Now what I will do again is click, hold, and drag the fill handle. But notice something. The result is wrong. Okay, it is correct for at least the first two, but the rest are wrong. It's too big. The numbers are too big. So what happened? Once you create a formula and you drag it down, okay, notice, okay, we are multiplying 1 times 9. But the next one, we are already multiplying 2 times 9. But we need to only multiply it to F1. But it moves. Now it has become F3. So 3 times 18. So the result is here. So it's wrong. So what should we do so that it doesn't move? Okay, in the formula, double click on the result. Now, remember this one, F is referring to column and 1 is referring to row. So what we should do is to lock F1. Okay, so how do we do that? We create a constant. How do we create a constant? Before column F, put a dollar sign, and before row 1, put a dollar sign. So we are referring to F1, 9 here. So it's color coded. So E2 is in blue, F1 is in red. So 1 times 9 is equal to 9. When we press enter and we click this, go to fill handle, click, hold, and drag going down, we will have the correct answer because since it is constant, it will not move. So it will be the same for the rest of the formula. So that's how we create the multiplication table.